Hello traders and investors, welcome back to another Finance Magnates video review. Today we're taking a closer look at FundedNext, a proprietary trading firm that focuses on evaluation challenges for CFD and futures traders, rather than acting as a traditional broker. The basic idea is straightforward. Traders take part in a rule-based challenge using simulated capital, and if they meet the criteria, they can qualify for ongoing performance-based rewards linked to those simulated accounts. This review is purely informational. It is not a recommendation to sign up, and it is not a promise of trading results. FundedNext presents itself as a global proprietary trading firm operated by GrowthNext FZE, which is registered in the United Arab Emirates, with additional operations managed from Cyprus. A related entity, FundedNext Limited, provides access to the simulated trading programs themselves. These programs are designed to assess trading skill and risk management rather than to place real money trades in live financial markets. The firm is explicit that it does not act as a broker, exchange, or investment advisor, and that trading takes place using virtual funds rather than client deposits invested in real instruments. The operating model can be broken down into three stages. First, traders choose a challenge type and account size, either on the CFD side or the futures side. Second, they trade within predefined rules covering profit targets, maximum loss, and daily loss limits on a simulated account. If those conditions are met, traders move to a simulated funded stage. Third, as long as they continue trading within the rules, they become eligible for performance rewards based on profits generated in that simulated environment. FundedNext highlights features such as simulated account sizes up to $300,000 on the CFD's side, performance rewards of up to 95%, a 24-hour payout guarantee, and no time limit for completing the challenge phase. On the CFD side, the main product line is grouped under the Stellar Challenges. These include Stellar 1-Step, Stellar 2-Step, and Stellar Light, each with different profit targets and risk limits. Stellar 1-Step uses a single phase structure with a 10% profit target, a daily loss limit of 3%, and an overall loss limit of 6% based on balanced drawdown, with a minimum of 2 trading days. Stellar 2-Step splits the evaluation into 2 phases with profit targets of 8 and 5%, a daily loss limit of 5%, and an overall loss limit of 10%, with a minimum of 5 trading days. Stellar Light also runs in 2 phases with profit targets of 8 and 4%, daily and overall loss limits of 4 and 8%, and the same 5-day minimum. FundedNext also offers a Stellar Instant model, which allows traders to start trading in a simulated funded environment immediately without completing a separate evaluation challenge. Across all 3 challenges, FundedNext advertises performance rewards of up to 95%, leverage of up to 1-30 or 1-100, depending on the setup, and per lot commissions on CFD trades. Traders are allowed to trade during news events, hold positions over the weekend, and use tools such as expert advisors and trade copiers, provided all activity remains within the stated rules. The firm also notes that there is no time limit during the challenge phase for these CFD programs, allowing traders to work toward the profit targets at their own pace, as long as daily and overall loss limits are respected. Reset options are available, enabling traders to restart a challenge after breaking a rule, sometimes with a stated reset discount applied to the fee. For traders who pass and move into the funded stage, the first performance reward window in the multi-phase Stellar programs generally opens after 21 days. Subsequent rewards are typically processed on a bi-weekly schedule. The 1-Step model uses shorter timeframes for both the first payout and subsequent payouts. Alongside its CFD's offering, FundedNext also operates a dedicated futures program under the FundedNext Futures brand. This includes rapid and legacy challenges with simulated account sizes such as $25,000, $50,000, and $100,000. These challenges are offered with a one-time fee and no recurring activation or monthly charges. For a $50,000 rapid account, the site lists a fee of $149.99, a profit target of $3,000, and a maximum loss based on end-of-day balance with no daily loss limit. Maximum position sizes are defined in terms of mini and micro futures contracts. FundedNext also lists a Bolt challenge on its official site alongside the legacy and rapid formats. The Bolt challenge is presented as a separate futures challenge option, similar to legacy and rapid, available directly from the FundedNext futures section of the site. A notable feature highlighted across FundedNext programs is its 24-hour payout guarantee. The firm states that if an approved payout is not processed within that 24-hour window, an additional fixed compensation of $1,000 is applied, subject to the conditions outlined in its brand promise and help documents. The site references an example from mid-2024 when this compensation was paid following an operational outage. At the same time, it is made clear that all results depend on traders following the rules and that the guarantee applies specifically to payout processing time rather than trading performance. FundedNext brands its CFD trading environment as FN Markets and promotes features such as raw spreads starting from 0 pips, relatively high leverage on certain CFD products, and 24/7 human support. CFD challenges can be traded on platforms such as MatchTrader and other supported terminals, while futures challenges run on platforms including Tradeovate, NinjaTrader, and TradingView, depending on the setup chosen. The exact trading conditions, including spreads, commissions, and supported instruments, depend on the specific challenge and platform combination and should be reviewed at the point of selection. Beyond the challenge accounts, FundedNext offers a range of tools and educational content. The site provides a dashboard tour for prospective users, an economic calendar, a profit and risk calculator, a written guide to proprietary trading, and a blog covering challenge design, comparisons with other firms, and general trading topics. FundedNext Academy brings much of this educational material together in one place. The firm also runs a recurring free competition that allows participants to trade on a special account for the chance to win rewards or challenge access without paying an upfront fee. Community and recognition elements are also part of FundedNext presentation. A Hall of Fame page highlights figures such as the highest single reward paid to date, the number of funded traders, and the total value of rewards attributed to challenge and funded stages, alongside selected trader stories. Global events and meetups in different regions are presented as part of a broader effort to build a community around the brand. These figures and stories are historical and marketing focused and do not guarantee similar outcomes for new participants. On the support side, FundedNext states that it provides around-the-clock customer service through multiple channels, including email, an online contact form, live chat on the website, and a dedicated Telegram bot. The contact page lists office addresses in the UAE and Cyprus, and the wider site links to public community channels such as Discord and social media. The platform also supports multiple interface languages to help traders from different regions access key information and support resources. Risk and legal disclosures are an important part of understanding what FundedNext is and what it is not. The terms and risk documents emphasize that all programs are based on simulated trading only, and that participation fees are paid for access to evaluation services rather than invested as trading capital. These fees are not bank deposits, are not insured, and may be lost if a trader fails to meet the challenge conditions. The firm also reiterates that trading leverage products such as CFDs and futures in real markets involves a high risk of loss and may not be suitable for everyone, encouraging traders to seek independent financial, legal, or tax advice before engaging in live trading outside the simulated environment it provides. Taken together, FundedNext is a proprietary trading firm offering structured evaluation challenges in CFDs and futures with simulated account sizes up to the low six figures, clear profit targets, and defined loss limits. Traders who follow the rules can earn performance rewards representing a high share of simulated profits. The firm supports multiple platforms, provides educational resources and analytical tools, highlights community activity, and offers round-the-clock multi-channel support. It operates entirely on a simulated basis, charges fees for access, and does not guarantee that any individual trader will succeed or receive rewards. This review is not a verdict on whether FundedNext is right for you. Anyone considering a proprietary trading evaluation should review the full challenge terms, risk disclosures, payout structures, and rules carefully. It's also important to compare these conditions with other firms and to consider your own experience, risk tolerance, and ability to follow strict rules. If you found this overview helpful, leave a comment with your questions or experiences, and don't forget to like and subscribe for future reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.